Hi, I'm Chan from KMED. Let me briefly show you how we assemble the roller clamps.
Each roller clamp is made up of roller and shell. The components are fed into the assembly machine to ensure accurate positioning and stable assembly. The roller is assembled to allow smooth adjustment and accurate flow control. The finished regulators are visually inspected for appearance, strength, and dimensional accuracy. About 96,000 pieces of roller clamps can be assembled in 12 hours. This is how we ensure consistent, quality, and reliable performance of roller clamps for large-scale production. Please feel free to contact us for any questions.